Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ogonwadi. How are you guys doing? Happy Sunday or happy whatever day you're watching this video. Thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen. So today it's another delicacy from the country Ghana. These days I've been making a lot of Ghanaian recipe. So this here we want to make SHITTO. I say we because I have my friend here with me. I have a privilege of having her in my kitchen again. She's going to show us how you make authentic SHITTO sauce. All right, SHITTO is something you can use with, I think with rice. She's going to tell us much more about it, but these are the ingredients. So I'm going to allow her to explain to us what we need.
Okay, we need onions, the white onion, the purple onion, some pepper, and shrimp Maggi cube,
okay,
vegetable Maggi cube, and the dry pepper, and coconut oil, and shrimp powder, tomato paste, and garlic and ginger, which we blended it already.
Okay, all right. So what are we going to do? Are we going to use water for the blending?
No, I'm not going to use water. I'm going to use the coconut oil to blend my stuff, because I don't want to use water to blend
the
spices, because if you use water it's going to take a long time to
cook.
I see. So okay, I just want to use my oil to blend my stuff. That is how I do my SHITTO. Right. Yes, but some people do it differently. Yeah.
All right, so guys, well, I guess we're gonna go with her method. It makes sense to not add water. You know, we like to cook fast and eat fast. Anyway, so we're gonna allow her to do her thing. So guys, if you have any question, drop it at the comment box below. Leave your comment. Don't forget to share, like this video. Thank you once again for joining. So let's watch her do her thing. So she's cutting in the onions right now. So you're gonna blend everything together?
I'm going to blend everything together with the coconut oil.
Okay, that makes sense. Like how many tablespoons do you think?
This is gonna be like a...
That should be up to 4 or 5 there.
No, but let me say it should be a cup.
Oh,
we're gonna need more.
Oh,
we're gonna need more oil, but I don't want to blend. Just don't want to blend it with water, so I just want to use the oil.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm not going to blend the Maggi cube with my stuff. Yeah, just this.
The peppers.
The peppers, yes.
Okay. When are you going to add the ginger? When are you going to add it? Not now.
The ginger is already blended, so I'm not going to add it now. I'm just going to...
Yes.
Use it when I'm ready to start the SHITTO.
Guys, I have a video of how to make your ginger and garlic paste. It should be popping up on the screen right now. Check it out and you see how to make it. It's very easy. It's very economical too. At least you know what is inside your, the stuff you're using to cook.
Some coconut oil.
Okay. Coconut oil is very healthy.
This SHITTO need a lot of oil.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, to cook. Yeah.
Okay, that's why you said 1 cup.
Yeah. Okay, the oil is heated already, so I'm going to add my blended vegetables.
So we're going to fry it, right?
Yeah, I'm going to fry it for about 20 minutes. You keep checking.
Oh, wow.
So I'm going to fry it for about 20.
So you want it very dry?
I want it very dry.
Okay.
And when there's water in the SHITTO, it's not well cooked.
Oh.
And you put it down, it's going to spoil.
Oh,
yes,
wow.
So you just have to make everything dry.
Okay, guys, you hear that?
Guys, there's 2 ways of starting this SHITTO. First, you can put tomato paste first, or your blended onions and SHITTO. And pepper. So now I'm going to add my tin tomatoes to it.
Okay.
But I prefer using the tin tomatoes at the start.
Oh, okay. But I think the tin tomatoes is
already dry.
Yeah. I'm thinking this way might be better.
Now I'm going to add my ginger and garlic blended already together. Yes, to it. Check our SHITTO, but it still needs to be cooked more. Then we're going to add our shrimp powder. So for now, we're still going to let it cook for a while, like 15 minutes. Then we add our shrimp powder. So
stay tuned.
Yeah, now I'm going to add my shrimps and Maggi cube to the SHITTO, and the vegetable Maggi cube too. and my shrimp powder.
There's a whole lot of shrimp powder.
Yeah, I'm not going to put all for now. I'm just going to add a little bit.
Sometimes I see some Cheetos are very black. Why is it black?
I'm not done with the shitto, so it's still going to be black. Yeah.
But what makes it black?
The shrimps and sometimes the powdered fish.
Okay.
Yeah. Now the shitto is done. Just look at it.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah.
And it tastes so good. You can
sure
eat this with
is.
yam, rice, and what potatoes, whatever that you want to eat with the shitto, you can eat with it. Yeah, bangkun with fish, gari.
Wow.
The Nigerians call it eba, whatever you call it. Yeah, you can eat it with shitto and fish.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tastes so good. So
This
now
is nice. Thank
we're
you
gonna
so
leave it to
much.
cool down. Then we put it in a jar,
Okay.
and you can put it in the refrigerator, or just leave it on your dining table, wherever you want to put it,
Okay.
and you're good to go.
Oh, so guys, you're gonna get a mixing jar for this to store it. That's how I see it in the store. They store it in a mixing jar and sell it. At least this is mine. I know what is inside. You know, I'm not worried. Oh, this is nice. Thank you so much, guys, for joining us today. It's been great. Thank you for making this Cheeto with us. Thank you, Ms Pat, for making this. Thank you to my Ghanaian families for introducing us to this food. Thank you so much, guys. Like the video, share the video, leave a comment, leave a question. Thank you so much. See you in some other video. Make sure you share, guys. God bless you all. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.